This video shows the step-by-step process of resoldering the iPhone 15 Pro camera flex. Let's get started. First, I will heat the area with a hot air gun to remove the top shield. After that, I will carefully clean the side adhesive. Now I'm applying flux over the soldering points. Next, I will complete the soldering of all points using a soldering iron. After that, I will clean the solder area with alcohol. Next, I'll add flux to the upper layer solder points of the camera flex cable. Next, I will remove the old solder with a solder wick. Next, I'll clean everything properly with alcohol. Once all soldering is done, I will apply flux and bond the two layers. Then I'll apply heat to the sides of the top layer with a soldering iron to join the two layers. Thank you for watching this video.